Finding the formula of an unknown exponential function. We saw in the previous lessons that in all cases, the graph of an exponential function is curved. This means we need to consider a large number of points in order to plot an accurate graph. However, there are some tricks which help identify the function's formula by considering only a few points from the graph. For this, we must apply the short procedure below. Step 1. Find the y-intercept, as this point helps identify the value of the constant b. This is because the y-intercept has the horizontal coordinate x equals 0. In this way, we have the following shown on screen. For example, if the y-intercept of an exponential graph is y equals 2, the function's general formula, we have the following shown on screen. Step 2. Choose the coordinates of a known point of the graph to substitute in the general formula of the function in order to find the value of the base a. In this way, the formula of the unknown exponential function is already found. For example, it is easy to notice in the graph that the y-intercept is at y equals -2. We have the following shown on screen. Therefore, we have b equals -2 and the function y, x, equals ba, to the power of x now becomes y, x, equals -2a, to the power of x. The next step involves the substitution of a known point from the graph in the formula. We can choose for example the point, 1, -8, i.e. x equals 1 and y equals -8. In this way, we obtain for the base a, we have the following shown on screen. Therefore, the function shown by the graph in the figure, we have the following shown on screen. Example. Find the exponential functions indicated by the graphs, we have the following shown on screen. Solution. A. The y-intercept is y equals 3. Therefore, b equals 3. Now, let's check for any clear points on the graph. The point, 1, -1.6, for example, is a clear point, where x equals -8/5 and y equals 1. Therefore, substituting the values in the function, we have the following shown on screen. We have the following shown on screen. Therefore, the function shown on the graph has the formula, we have the following shown on screen. B. We use the same procedure. Thus, from the figure, it is easy to see that the y-intercept is y equals -2. Therefore, we have b equals -2. Again, from the figure, it is evident that point, 1, -6, is a point of the graph. Hence, for x equals 1 and y equals -6 we have the following shown on screen. Therefore, the formula of this exponential function, we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 13.3.3. To continue this tutorial, please watch 13.3.4, Logarithmic Function Graphs. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.com.